Hey, thanks for coming, brother.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you as well, Mr. Penguin, sir.
Guys, we're here with Footloose, aka Frank Staples, and JC Gerhardt, singer of JC Gerhardt, and they're going to be filming today.
Well, we're here for a first appearance because we were already here filming and got arrested, and they charged us for disobeying a lawful order, right? And disobeying has to be, you have to be disobeying a law that they're telling you not to break, and there is no, they don't reference any law or anything, so it's a secondary charge. And their own rules say we're allowed to film in the lobby. So regardless of any of that, even if there was some sort of rule or something, it's unconstitutional. It's a local rule in practice that has no force of law or penalty behind it. So you can't just say a natural right is illegal because you say, you can't do it here in a public forum. We got Glick versus Cuniff, which says we're allowed to film police in the course of their duties, and there's a lot of police here, Homeland Security, federal police. Absolutely. So I 100% have a right to film them in the course of their duties, and while they follow me around the building. And I'm here sui juris.
You guys gonna go in?
What time is it?
You really want to make this last minute?
Yep.
What time? 25.
25. So yeah, no, we're gonna wait for Roseanne. She should be here any second.
Yes. Oh, there's somebody else coming. Yeah. Okay.
And we don't want to go in, because we're going to be recording in there. And if they're not going to let us in, they're going to have to arrest me again. You know what I mean? Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Herd immunity. This is what we call herd immunity, people.
Yeah. I'm actually my beard's going to grow a little longer.
Oh.
Take her longer.
Bill D, how's it going, sir?
Hey.
So, should I just leave my coffee out here? You think?
I left the water out here for Ian, so
It should be fine. How's it going, brother?
Good. Chris, some amazing stuff you did a few weeks ago.
So, I'm going to let them know we're here.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? Who? Yes. Excuse me, one of you gentlemen. Morning. I have court today. I'm trying to figure out what courtroom it is in, and I'd like an escort from the clerk as well. I need to see. Yeah. Yep. Because I'm here sui juris. Sure. It's a queue set up.
This is what I was talking about.
Local rules 83.8.
That wasn't like that last time, was it?
No, it was not. And there is an exemption. There was identification. They did the thing for the ID, because the identification rule they have is for after-hour vendors. They try to make people ID when the ID is actually for employees, and they don't ID the employees.
He told me that I had to be screened to be able to sit down, and the FPS is on the left.
You have to be screened to sit down?
Yeah.
And here we are. Their dedication, hard work, and vision have resulted in a dignified, functional, and pleasing public forum for the citizens of New Hampshire. This is the dedication of the building, this courthouse. It is a public forum, okay? And these are police officers, federal police, and we are allowed to film police in the course of their duties as well. So let's get this show on the road. So, here's Roseanne as well. Use this one.
Are you waiting for an answer? Is that what you're doing?
Well, I don't know what you guys want to do here, but I'm here to present myself via special proceeding. I have all my notes and everything that I need on my phone as well.
I'm going to have to keep your phone here, okay?
No, well, you're going to have to tell the judge that you're not allowing me to represent myself. Okay? I have to have my phone. All my stuff is on my phone.
Do you have ID with you today?
I do not. I lost my wallet the other day, honestly. So.
Just get the marshal down here.
Get the marshal down here. I can stand. Yeah.
Can you at least alert the judge that we're here though?
Yeah.
If possible, or I'm not calling the judge.
You're not calling the judge? I'll call the clerk. Where is it? Warren. Rudman. Federal Court. So yeah, you guys want to inhibit my access to the court? It's going to be on you. You're going to be liable, putting you on notice right now. It's going to be a malice standard because you know I have the right to do it. There's also an exception to people who are representing themselves to have their electronics in the courtroom. Okay? So you might want to check your own rules before we get this party started. Clerk, phone, yep. What? What? Hey, how's it going?
So we have a court appearance at 10:30?
Yeah. Okay.
So we're here.
So the judge has ordered that you guys cannot be filming in the building, okay? There's a written order from the judge.
I have a right to film police. So the judge's
You
order.
can film me outside.
No, I can film you in the course of your duties. Glick versus Cuniff, First Circuit
I'm not
decision.
gonna get into it.
So if you want to arrest me again,
No, I don't
for
want to arrest anybody.
well, then you're going to have to. There's one of two ways it's going to go. You're going to not let me in, or you're going to let me in. One or the other.
Well, if you want to go in, you have to comply with the rules.
And the rules are that I am representing myself and I'm allowed to bring my electronics in there. It says it. There's an exception to people who are representing themselves.
Hold on a second. But attorneys can bring their cell phones in, correct? So if we're representing ourselves...
I have my
Civil
documents
jurist-
here. I have my first appearance
Okay, let me-
filing
let me
here.
look it up, let me look it up.
Yep.
I get it. Listen,
Look it up and talk to the judge.
These things are all detailed.
We're not requesting anything. We're doing it. We're doing it. I'm here doing it, and I'm coming in there one way or the other with my phone because I have here all my notes.
That's not going to happen.
Well, then what are you going to do? You're just going to leave me here in the lobby?
No, you can't hang on the lobby if you...
Well, I'm here to see the I'm here to see the judge. I need to see the judge. So if you want to bring me to the front of the judge in handcuffs, that's on you. Or you want to arrest
It'll
me?
be on you.
No, that's fine, of course. So I'm trying to get in there with my electronics. So you're saying you're not going to let me in with my electronics,
No.
with my documents, and even though I am representing myself, you're violating your own rules, correct?
No.
There is a rule that has an exception to parties who are representing themselves. I'm allowed to bring my stuff in there. And how am I going to represent myself if I don't have all my notes? That's what I'm wondering. Can you tell me that, sir?
We got a 10:30 court appearance.
Yeah. And what you trying to do?
So he...
Trying to see the judge. I have AD. I also need I try to talk to the clerk, trying to get a reasonable accommodation for ADA. I have a right to create my own documents. I have a right to film police in the course of their duties. Glick versus Cuniff.
Not in here, you don't.
Sure, it's a public forum, sir. Would you agree that this is a public forum? Yeah, you do actually. It says it's a public forum.
Let's go.
So let's go what? What does that mean?
Past this point.
Past what point?
This right here.
Where? I don't see in front of you.
Come on, step outside.
No, sir. I'm not stepping. I have court.
Hearing at 10:30.
I have court at 10:30, and I have my first appearance documents
If you
here.
got court at 10:30, then you're gonna You're gonna abide by the rules and regulations that we set, and that's it.
No, but the rules say if you're, so for instance, real quick,
No, I don't wanna hear none of your rules.
They are your rules. They are your rules.
Brother,
They are your rules. There is an exception.
I don't need two people talking at me.
Go ahead.
I don't need two people talking at
I
me.
get it,
I'm
I
just
get it.
telling you right now.
We both have court.
You're filming right now, okay? And why are you filming this? That's what I wanna know.
Because it's our First Amendment protected activity.
Okay, it might be. And
It might be, it is.
Now, look,
You're on notice, and you just agreed that it might be, so you're going to be a malicious prosecution if we go further. You want to arrest me for filming? Brother, I'm telling you, you want to arrest me for protected activity, go right ahead. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. So you want to arrest me again? Arrest me again.
man, you should,
Let's go.
You're gonna get arrested again. I'm
Go
telling you
ahead.
right now.
That's
So,
fine.
All I can tell you right now is no filming. Past this point.
Past what
That's it.
point?
That's
Past
it.
the lobby.
You can make whatever.
Past the
point you
lobby,
want.
right? We're allowed to film the lobby? Is that what you're saying? Are you saying we're allowed to film the lobby?
I'm just telling you
Because
right now.
this says we're allowed to film in the lobby, right? This says we're allowed to film the lobby, correct?
You ain't going no further than right here.
So we're allowed to film the lobby,
You ain't
correct?
going no further than right
So then why were we arrested?
hey, stop. All right,
Made it clear. Made it clear.
He made it clear. No, not really.
Stop. All right, let me just say something. Okay, I'm also defending this thing. I got a little, let me put this on. Changes everything. State rep. Okay, so the problem is this. We want to challenge the inability
We are
to
challenging.
record. Just follow me. Beyond this, it's a public building, public forum.
Right.
Okay, so be it. Just let me explain. So we got arrested on 9/11. We're here now to challenge the ticket that we were given a violation by some of your colleagues. So we would like you either to call the clerk and to clarify if the rules don't apply, because it says that if you're representing yourself, attorneys can bring cell phones in. I don't understand why somebody that's a member of the Bar Association has a higher standing than one of the people who gave you the authority to do what you're doing right now.
Your power comes from us.
All right, stop. I respect what you're doing. No, seriously, I respect what you're doing. I get it. But at the same
All your powers come from us. If you have that power, we have that power.
I get it. Just stop. So what I'm trying to say is this. We're trying to assert our rights under the Constitution, okay? So that's what we're all trying to get. I'm not going to get in a screaming match. I don't care about like the theatrics of it all. I want this to go up to the Supreme Court and all the rest of the shit, okay? I want to use the system for the system's purpose. So that's where we're going. So can you please let the clerk, the judge, God, somebody know that we're here. We don't want to have a bench warrant put out. I got to get to the State House later this flash for a meeting at 1 o'clock, a hearing. That's what we're trying to establish. I don't want to get a scream match.
Okay, if you want to establish that.
Yes.
All I'm telling you is, I'm not telling you can't go see the clerk. I'm not telling you can't go sit him. I'm
You are.
telling you no filming past this point. That's all I'm saying.
So can I ask a question, sir?
That's,
Why were we arrested here in the lobby last time for filming?
I wasn't here.
Oh, well, that's what we're here for today. And you're not arresting us now.
Well, I'm telling you right,
It's pretty funny, isn't it, guys? These guys were all there. They're like, they know what time it is. They know y'all fucked
guess
up.
what? I'm the commander. I'm telling you right here, past this point, no filming.
And I'm telling you there is an
You ain't telling me anything.
Oh, I am telling you everything. I'm telling you because you don't know.
You can say what you
Okay?
want to say. It's going in one ear and come out this other ear. That's it.
So you don't care about your own rules.
And that's it.
You don't care about your own
It's
rules.
going in this one ear and coming out the other ear.
Well, at least you're honest with us. At least he's honest with us.
I'm just telling you, past this point, you're not going to be filming.
And okay. Aside from filming, sir, I have my case that I am using, all my documents that I have with my notes that I prepared last night for this first appearance is
How did you prepare? On the
on.
phone?
Yes, sir.
You typed everything on that phone.
Yes, sir. I do everything on my phone. Look.
Man, people live on those things. Trust
You
me.
typed everything on
So you want me to have it on? You want me to make it on? I'm sorry. I'm not
This
a.
question. To make it easy on yourself, would it have been knowing that you already know that you can't take a phone in there? You already
No, there's a rule that gives an exception to people who are representing themselves, sir.
Well,
That's what I'm trying to tell you, and you don't care. It's going in one ear and out the other, right?
Exactly.
You don't care about your own rules, do you? So fuck around and find out. Do whatever the fuck you want to do, bro. I'm here trying to get through with my phone to present
I'm
myself.
not going to sit here and argue with you.
Oh, you are arguing with me.
I'm not.
You are. Yes, you are.
I'm laying
Of course
it
you
all
are. You say you're not, but you
What's
are.
gonna happen?
It's going in one ear and out the other, ain't it?
Yes, it is. What you say?
Oh, yes, yeah,
So,
sure.
that's-
But it
Bring
it down, bring it down, bring it down. No, I'll raise it up, bro.
All right, stop. Let him
Shit.
say what he's gonna say. Let him say what he's
What are you gonna say? What you gotta do?
And look, you can sit here all day long and say what you want to say. I'm telling you, you ain't getting past this.
I'm calling the clerk.
Call the clerk. If the clerk want to come down here and talk to you, that's fine. Call him. But I'm telling you right now, you're not getting past this point.
What if it changes? What if she says, yeah, you're allowed to? You're gonna like go, oh, okay, go ahead, sir. Are
Actually,
you
no.
sticking to your words? It's gonna go through one ear out the other with the clerk?
Who the hell are you?
I don't answer questions.
I don't answer your question.
Hey, sir. No. You work for me. You work for me. I'm the one asking questions here. I'm the one asking questions.
I'm not answering
You're
your
being
I'm not answering
being disorderly, sir.
Yeah.
You're not answering my question.
Reckless.
I'm not answering. All I can tell you.
Reckless.
No one's
Reckless.
answering questions. You know,
So we were arrested last time. Why are we not being arrested now? You don't know?
Let's just move over here.
I don't move nowhere. Why don't you move me? Why don't you move me? Move me.
Man, look here.
Move me.
All I can tell you guys, and I'm just going to leave it at this.
Respect my personal space. You're about to catch COVID from me.
Yeah, well, I haven't had COVID before, so that,
It's okay, good. I hope you're not vaccinated.
well, I sure am.
Oh boy.
Well, guess what? It's my life. So
It is your life. You have that right, sir. You have that right. Phone number. Why is it not?
all I can tell you guys is I understand but you got to understand my role and what I have to do. You got to understand that. If you can't understand that, guess what? We ain't going nowhere.
I just believe that your methods and your training has been lacking.
That's your truth. That's
Well, I
your
mean, it's
that's
showing
that's
now.
your-
As an educated citizen, I am.
And you said I'm not
very
educated.
uneducated with the law.
I guess you said I'm not educated.
No, I believe you're not.
Okay,
Your vest, your badge.
and that's
doesn't mean
your
anything.
belief, sir.
Hey, they literally hire cops because they have lower IQ than the rest of the people. 'Cause they
Is there like a phone number somewhere? Like, where's the phone number? Where do I find the phone number for the clerk? Can you get the? I am looking on the. It's not popping up.
It should be under the courts,
What do you mean?
court webpage.
Right in this.
Go to the court website, it should have the clerk's office.
Right, Warren B. Rudman Courthouse, Concord, New Hampshire. Right here. This?
I just want y'all to know.
You're on your own with that, man.
Well, I'm asking one of you guys, could you get me the clerk's phone number, please? Could somebody get me the clerk's phone number?
That's your responsibility.
What?
You're the one got to go to court. That's your responsibility.
Yeah,
You should have
They
that.
have the number.
Dude.
They have their number.
You guys have, so it's okay because you are being recorded and I am documenting this, how helpful you are.
It's the job of the government to decipher information.
I don't have.
Public record, it's public information. You have to provide me public information. Can you, Bill, go up and get the clerk's number for me? Let the clerk know that we're down here trying to get in. Please, sir. Thank you so much.
Not
Yeah.
with the phone, sir. Not with the phone.
You guys, not with the phone, sir. Not with the phone. Yes, with the phone.
Well,
Yes, with the phone.
not coming in. You got this thing on put on your
Well, I don't know why you guys aren't arresting me for filming in the lobby like you did last time.
Well-
Why aren't you telling me not to film in the lobby? Where's the direct order? Where's the lawful order? So you see what I'm doing here? I am generating evidence to smash this thing if it does go to trial, where it should get dismissed today at this first appearance for lack of subject matter and personal jurisdiction.
Why don't you?
No. Why don't you let it go in one ear and out the other? I thought you weren't listening to nothing that I said. I thought you weren't listening to nothing that I said. So why don't you zip your lip, Commander, Captain America, Captain Nazi, freaking Stasi? Come on. Yeah, you're a Nazi. You Homeland Security, dude. You're a fucking Nazi.
I mean, it is equivalent.
It is equivalent.
Well,
100%. I don't care what skin tone and how much melanin you have. That is irrelevant to the question.
I can say the same for you.
Right.
Well, you look like a thug to me, so hey.
I don't know what.
And that's what I'm thinking.
You roll mine, but I don't look like no thug.
He's coming out here like some gangster.
Well, I'm going to be.
Thug. You are a thug, gangster. You guys are the biggest gang in the country.
Okay.
Yeah, in the world.
The federal police force actually is the largest. Oh no, corrections. Federal corrections is the largest police force in the.
All I can tell you guys is that if you want to make this thing go smoothly,
Yeah.
just not bring your phone.
I have to bring my phone in.
The only thing I'm worried about is if I do that, then I'm basically with everything else I did previously is waste of time.
Right.
Because I was arrested in the same spot.
Right here, doing the same thing.
So I'm confused now how that was illegal. I'm facing a charge for something that I'm not being charged with now.
Well, you know what? I'm trying to give y'all leeway, okay? That's why I'm getting arrested now. I'm trying to.
America is the only leeway I go
I'm
with.
trying to understand. You already been charged, okay? I'm trying to understand why you can't understand what I'm trying to do to get you on your way so you can go
Well,
do
can
what you have to
you
do.
can you arrest us and bring us to the judge?
No, so I can't take you to the judge.
Well, I have a hearing, but
Did you go to the judge when you got arrested last time?
no,
No.
back there.
Yeah, you
His
didn't
first
go to
appearance.
the judge. You did not go see the judge.
I understand, but I'm saying I'm
Hi, how you doing? My name is Frank Staples. I'm in the lobby, and I am representing myself. I've been here since 10:25. I have court. I'm with another gentleman, Jason Gerhard. We both have court at 10:30 because we were.
Let me just really quick. This is the bankruptcy court. I we're not doing the court.
Okay, can you forward me? This was what was on the website. Can you forward me to the clerk?
I can't. This is the bankruptcy court clerk's office. I can't forward it, but I can find the correct number for district court.
Thank you so much. You're wonderful. These security guys down here are not helping me and they will not give me the number to the clerk.
Their number is 603
603
225
225
1423.
1423. All right, thank you.
The number that I'm finding on their website.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
All right, bye-bye. They, huh? What? That's what they're saying. We're allowed to film the law. They're not saying it. He won't admit to it.
Don't fucking put me in the mix.
The lobby is the point? Is that the point you're talking about? The lobby?
I have to say, with all due respect, you're actually helping us out big time because I was arrested right there. So you're saying we could have done that, so that means that we beat the charge, basically.
We beat the charge. We beat the charge. We beat the charge. We beat the fucking charge, and y'all knew we were going to beat the charge.
You can say what you want to say about
Hello, how's it going? My name is Frank Staples. I am in the lobby. I have court at 10:30, and the security here is not allowing me and another gentleman who are representing ourselves to come through and document the proceedings as we are allowed to via your own rules. The security guy down here says he doesn't care about the exception to parties who are representing themselves to allow to bring their electronics in. And so I'm here for first appearance at 10:30. We've been here since 10:25. We were arrested for filming in the lobby, which is what we are doing right now. And they are actually not arresting us for filming in the lobby now. They are letting us film in the lobby. So why are we here and why were we arrested to begin with if they're now allowing us to film in the lobby? So that is why we're filming, and that is why we will continue to film. And if you guys don't want to let us in, you can tell the judge. I also am asking for a reasonable accommodation under the ADA to be able to create my own records. All power that you guys have is derived from the people. If you have the right to record and create documents in a public place, then so do we. Okay? This plaque here says this building is a dedicated public forum. It is a public forum for the citizens of New Hampshire. I am a citizen of New Hampshire. Okay? So if you can, let the judge know that I am here to present myself sui juris via special appearance, and so is this other gentleman, Jason Gerhard. And we're being stopped in the lobby, and we're asking for an escort from the clerk, because that's also in your rules that the clerk can escort us to film places in special proceedings. And this is a special proceeding, 100%. Because if we were arrested last time in the lobby for doing what we're doing now in a much more peaceful, quiet fashion, then why aren't we being arrested here now today, right here? Okay? It's a slam dunk. So this judge does not know who they're playing with.
Okay, yeah, sure. I mean, I can definitely,
My guess is I just want to challenge the
clerk
rule.
of court
That's what I'm trying to
now,
get.
as well as the judge.
You don't need a phone to challenge it.
But the
We're in the lobby. If the judge wants to hold us in contempt and bring us in there in handcuffs, that's what we're willing to do. But I have to bring my electronics in there to I have my document that I have to present myself and argue my jurisdictional arguments and whatnot is all on my phone. Okay, and I am to be afforded via your rules an exception to this policy about electronics. And under Glick versus Cuniff, First Circuit 2011 decision, we are allowed to record public officials and police in the course of their duties. And that is what I'm doing here today. I am not in a restricted area. There is no restricted areas that I am trying to record in. I have a right to wear a body cam, and these police officers here that I have a right to film do not have body cams. Why don't they have body cams? So that makes more of a right for me to be able to film these interactions, because once the my body cam goes off, we don't know what transpired then, do we? No, we don't. Thank you so much.
Seems like she's being accommodated.
She is. The clerks are always usually pretty good.
For the record, this guy hasn't told me to leave yet. No one's told us to leave.
No, because they can't.
So if they pounce on us, they're going to be without warning.
It's over, boom, out the door.
They can't.
That doesn't change the fact.
Yeah, I was just transferred over here. I'm in the lobby. My name is Frank Staples. I'm here to present myself sui juris via special appearance. And I was arrested in the lobby for recording. And now I'm here in the lobby recording, trying to get in to my court hearing, and I'm not being arrested. So I'm wondering why I'm here today. Okay? So somebody needs to call me back. It is 603-722-5408. 603-722-5408. Exactly. And now that you're on notice and you're made aware, that's why he don't want to hear it. He wants to have it go in one ear out the other so he can do qualified immunity.
Guess what? I'm not going to listen to no more of this.
You are listening. You got ears, don't you? Turn your ears off, robot.
You're in violation of your own.
She forwarded me to another clerk, and I'm calling this one back. I guess.
You're assuming that you know it all, and you haven't even read it, and you're enforcing things you don't even know.
speak to the United States District Clerk's office.
All right, can you quiet? I'm trying to talk to the clerk.
All right, listen, let me talk to the clerk.
Me too. He's like, I never dealt with nothing like this before.
Yeah,
This is some new
trust
shit.
me.
Oh, no, you haven't. No, no.
Where were you stationed down in New York or something?
I was in New York. I've been to lots of places. Trust me.
Yeah, but you ain't dealt with none of this before. Guarantee it.
Well, you never know, man.
You don't know my background.
Illinois Federal Court.
Hi, I just called and you transferred me. I left a voicemail. Nobody was there. So, I don't know
I'm
if...
not sure who this is. I didn't speak to anybody.
Oh, I just spoke to someone. So I'm here for a court hearing at 10:30. I've been here since 10:25 with another gentleman who is also here to present himself sui juris via special appearance at our first appearance today because we were arrested for recording in the lobby here on 9/11. We are here today now filming in the lobby, and for some reason we're not being arrested. And they're saying we're allowed to film the lobby. So I'm wondering why I'm here and why I was arrested to begin with. And I'm wondering why I am not being allowed to film our public officials and police in the course of their duties under Glick versus Cuniff 2011 First Circuit case, which is binding here. Yeah, one moment. Put me in touch with somebody who could do something.
And to answer your question, I'm allowing you to film.
You are not allowing nothing. We didn't ask permission. Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission?
Guess what?
Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission? Did I ask you permission?
What, you have to ask permission to be allowed?
I did not. You know what? Nothing. I know everything that you don't know. Okay? Huh.
What's that? Rain.
Wearing really thin.
Thin.
Wearing thin.
Wearing thin. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What you gonna do? Nothing. You gotta let it go in one ear and out the other, I thought. How is it wearing thin if...
He knows you want to be arrested.
It's reverse psychology, simple, it works on them. Do I really want to be arrested or do I not want to be arrested? That's the question. So it's like triple reverse psychology. It's like inverse reverse psychology.
All you need is the threat of arrest. And that's enough ground.
A threat of arrest is... Sure, I don't care. Threat? He hasn't threatened to arrest us yet. He hasn't told us to leave.
I'm allowing you to do what
You haven't allowed nothing, tyrant. You haven't allowed nothing, tyrant.
I ain't been a tyrant, not
Tyrant.
yet.
Tyrant. What? She said, I got to another clerk. It was not the same one. She's looking for somebody.
Thank you for holding.
Thank you.
So someone from the clerk's office is going to be bringing out motion forms in case you want to file a motion in your case to go before the judge.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. If that's what you're going to make us do, that's fine. Thanks.
Well, I can't communicate anything you say, so it's best to put it in writing.
It's got to be, to communicate with the judge, we got to put it in writing. Yep. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye.
How do you file a motion without having to go through security?
She's coming down.
Oh, she is.
That's why they wouldn't give us the number so that we could talk to the clerk and get this done. This could have happened a lot easier. You guys made this much more difficult than it needed to be. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not the one being difficult here. It's okay.
You are working for is freedom. But apparently you're doing just the opposite.
And you got all the freedom you're gonna have right there.
Yeah, and you're not going to have freedom
Tyrant.
to qualified immunity.
Thanks, tyrant. Thanks for giving us our freedoms here, tyrant. Jesus Christ. Oh.
I hope you join us. Thank you. I just urge you
Yeah, you do your thing, I'll do mine, bud. No, not you. I don't care what you do. Shoot me, tase me, spray me. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Yeah, you know, you've seen the videos. You've seen everything. I know you've seen it all, bro. No, you've seen, yeah, you probably helped spray me one time. You probably helped restrain me. Okay?
went spring. I tell you, going spring.
Yeah, well, I'd appreciate that because I prefer the taser.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I said that.
I prefer that. I rip the wires out and I can say, give me another one, yo. You've seen the videos. Come on, don't play. Yeah, it's on video. You know it is, and it's a training video. So. I don't know. I'm trying. Okay. Yes, we're gonna have to get them. We're gonna have to get these up there and whatever. And the judge. This is how we're gonna communicate with the judge from the lobby. Motion for special appearance.
The legal system's pretty inefficient, it seems.
Special.
It's pretty inefficient. I like send this to get, you know what I mean?
They want it on the record. I don't know the case number.
It's 662. I mean, do you
Oh,
have the same one as me?
actually, I think I might have it. Let me see.
I didn't actually bring one.
Violation number.
I actually had that only on my phone.
There is no case number.
No, it says violation number. Same
Yeah.
thing, right?
No. No, it's not. Unknown.
Case is probably different than the violation number, but
Known.
I'm more familiar with state.
This is when we should be getting like our official complaint,
Oh, with the actual
I
real-
think, with maybe the stuff in it. Plaintiffs, unknown.
Oh, yeah, because we don't even know who actually brought the trial.
I don't know who the victim is. Who's the victim? Who is the victim of us exercising our First Amendment protected activities? Who is the victim? I'm the victim? I am the victim of the government, of the tyranny.
He's right.
We're the victim of the tyranny.
Accurate.
Accurate. He got one. He got it that time. Right.
You should always put all rights reserved, just in case.
What is it?
Signature next to your signature, all rights reserved. I mean, I want to reserve all my rights.
So I would put special appearance, sui juris.
Now, do you put like the ADA stuff and all that?
That's what I'm going to be putting, yeah. And part of my, I'll mention a ADA thing. And do you have that rule handy that they don't want to hear about the parties representing themselves thing? It's page 45, I think.
Oh, the local rule.
Yeah, their local rule.
We're gonna get it out of here.
Yeah, their local rule that allows us to bring electronics in. Their local rule that you know about, that you're on notice and you're being malicious. Yep. So I have not attached a memo of law because
Putting you guys to work today. Putting you guys to work today.
everything, he's being lazy. He don't want to arrest me. Everything is on
Monday night.
my
What's
phone.
What were you just watching before you came down here?
Before I came down here,
Yeah.
I was asleep.
You
I
He admits it. He was asleep.
am
I was on the job. Before I came here.
here
You guys want
to
to get into this conversation?
No, you're trying to say you were sleeping on the job.
Then before I came here, I was home.
Oh. I mean, you came down because we're here.
Nah, I've been here waiting for your guy.
I don't get it, man. I don't see it on here. What the fuck?
It's at the very end of that.
Here it is.
48.
I'm trying to find the actual document itself.
This is why phones are important. Look at this.
See? That's why we need our device so we can pull up the local rules, and I have everything in my phone. I have all the stuff I need in my phone because I'm not just somebody that's in the pews watching.
They're trying to be green, go paperless, you know?
Okay. Yeah, that too. It's I'm trying to boost my ESG score.
All right, so what is what page are you talking about?
It's 48, I believe.
This guy doesn't care about the environment.
He don't care about that. 48, I think, right?
Yeah, I know the type. Hey, you know what I heard?
Well,
about-
58,
You know what I
58.
heard about lead though, with your paint, when they stop putting lead paint on buildings?
There's Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Stop the EMFs from getting in.
100%.
Stop doing that. Well,
Okay.
People that have
So,
horsehair
come on, get the hell out of here.
original lead paint
So,
embedded in them, and they have really hard time.
and this is actually,
Well, actually, kids was eating the paint.
so,
Well, they say that though, but I mean, I don't know how much they care. So I was working in New York City, in Brooklyn,
Thank you.
right? Under the L. Every time that train, I used to do brush painting stuff. Every time that train would go, chunks of that, the pumpkin orange paint would just come up. Nobody gave a shit. It was in the hood in Brooklyn, But like they make it seem like nobody cares. This shit's everywhere.
When they cause inflation and the kids don't have anything to eat, they end up in the meat.
Or the tunnel.
exception under, hold on. Are you ready for it? It's 83.8. It is the rule on photographing and broadcasting, and there are exceptions under C.
Guys, it's right there.
And what is the exception?
It says pro se litigants and others may be extended similar privileges upon application to the clerk of court and showing of good cause for particular need for an exception.
And I don't work for clerk of court.
And that's why I tried to get you guys to put me in touch with the clerk of courts, which is security's job. It is also security's job. I can find that rule too, where you guys have to, that's your fucking job, dude.
Hey, could you guys just do their job?
Lazy ass motherfucker. Lazy ass bitch. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fucking pig. Fuck him. He's a piece of shit.
Messing my thing up, so just stop.
He's a POS. 83.8. Photographing.
Hey, I ignore this stuff. This stuff doesn't have RSA's attached to it. There's It's actually manipulative because it's not saying the full rule. The full rule is right there, and that is not the full truth.
Part C.
Lots of other places too.
You mean like America with the
Photograph
Constitution?
and electronics under Part C.
Don't even believe in the Constitution.
Exceptions.
You probably one of them.
So, no.
Exceptions for
Right, the First Amendment.
self-represented parties.
Exactly.
Right? And what do you
And
do?
guess what? Guess what? That's why you in this public area right here.
Wait, this is a public area?
Oh, it's a public area. He just admitted on camera. We got him. So why were we arrested last time? You don't know, Captain? Commander?
Right here.
Then you guys fucked us.
You guys fucked up, right? So the other guy fucked up.
Actually, hey, call him as a witness.
I'm going to call you as a witness.
But he says he's in charge.
Thompson.
Hey, you guys don't need to do anything else now.
Huh?
He just admitted.
He just admitted it.
Stand.
I know. We're going to call you to the stand, sir, as a witness. Thank you.
He can be sequestered right now because he's in the courthouse.
No, he can be sequestered from the courtroom.
I'd be more glad to do it. Because y'all got it all.
Exceptions for self.
And you just point to this vague sign, and you haven't yet read the actual rule.
But can you read?
Parties.
I don't answer questions.
Also,
Ask me what
reasonable.
You know I can read. You're undermining my ability to read because you just saw me read over there. So now you're just degrading people.
I saw you.
I read the whole quote out.
This is the 80th under
No,
the ADA. You might want to mention the Glick versus Kunif too.
Yeah, I mean, whatever. I'll just copy what you got.
Hey, same notebook's there.
Under the ADA
You know how you know it's mine? Look, ready?
for memory issues.
Oh man, am I gonna play ADA? I have bad memory issues sometimes.
is that what it's saying?
If you want, I mean, if you have problems, if you want to be able to have your, and we have to.
Whatever. I don't care. I mean, because that's whatever. I just want to get this challenge. I just want to move up the right. I just want to get this over with, man. I got shit to do today.
Under the ADA.
Terrorists.
See, the thing is, you're not really stealing it because you paid for it.
I know I did. That's why I took it.
So what do you write down here? Because everything is on my phone. Oh yeah, that's true.
I have to present myself for being
I do have a
arrested
bunch
for
of
recording
information
in
on
the
my phone.
lobby.
Court doc. Actually, all my court documents are on it. Though. I
Under
never have the court copies.
Glick v. Kunif. Where's my phone? It is, let me see here. Glick versus Kunif. It's CUNNIFFE.
Oh wait, I'm gonna write sui juris underneath that though. Here to represent myself, sui juris.
Special appearance.
Well, no, I know, but put it down here just in case.
Okay.
Just represent myself, sui juris first.
I am sui juris.
I had to do it, man. I had to do it. Look, now he's leaving. Oh my god. So that's how you get us to leave. You just record us.
Well, that's the funny thing is we are being recorded. So it's like, think about this. Me, as a living person, man, right? We create a government that records us, but we can't record the government while they're prosecuting the people. That
Even though there's case law saying you can't.
Huh?
You're recording me right now.
I'm being
Yeah,
recorded by a
but
guy.
you're saying I can't go past this point, sir. You're saying I can't go past this point under threat of violence, tyrant.
I never
Oh, you got a gun on your hip, bro. We're not allowed to bring weapons in here. How else are you going to enforce it through force? You will cuff me, correct?
The badge that you're wearing is a threat in and of itself.
And that camera's a threat to me.
It is, 100%. Camera's the new gun. The camera's the new gun. And you know that. No, the camera's the new gun.
You know, the gun can help you do.
I get it. That's why we want to go cars.
You know what?
It's a threat to me.
You know what cameras and guns have in
Lick
common?
verse. Oh wow.
They kill cops' careers.
I have a question for you. What is it about the camera that threatens you? Because if it's you doing something illegal and you're afraid that the government is going to come after you for doing something illegal.
Okay, so that's that. Who do we give this to?
That makes sense.
Let me get my camera
You
started
want
again.
to plaster my picture all over the damn thing and stuff, man, that's a threat.
But you volunteered to take this job. You weren't forced into this job.
I'm here since 10:25 a.m. in.
Real quick, I was just trying to find, is that your stuff that's in the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, just want to make sure we.
Hey, who do we give the motion to? Marshall?
You get the clerk? All right, thanks. I appreciate that. So I am here since 10:25 a.m. in the lobby trying
What time is it, guys?
to
Do you know what time it is?
get to
40 minutes
my
behind schedule, man.
10:30 a.m. hearing. Here, yep, so I guess that's that, I guess, right? What do I do here? Concurrences sought. I certify certificate of service. No, there's no certificate of service. Thank you so much.
Oh, I no offense, but I want to give it to the clerk so I can say I gave it to the
You
clerk.
got a good hand right there, bro.
It's all right, thank you. I appreciate that. Some people say, though, I think it's chicken scratch, but
That's a great little barrier anyway.
That's scratched up, but that's.
yeah, his is, he does this like hybrid cursive thing.
Well, you signed back, right?
No. The side in the back? The bottom page? I don't know.
There's signatures and stuff.
Yeah, that's for certificate of service, though. That's to certify that you gave it to the prosecution,
Oh, okay.
and that they're, you know what I mean?
So I'm going to save these extra motions.
Yeah, we'll save the extras.
I mean, if,
So we'll see what they say here. You know, we said we see this, we'll point this out again. Weapons prohibited because of 18 USC 930. There is no statute, there's no United States code or law attached. They derive zero authority to do this. Local rule.
Right here. Right there, pro se litigant.
And it says it right here. He's acting like it's already on. You guys already put the notice out here. Pro se litigants are allowed. Look at the last sentence, exceptions. Pro se litigants are allowed to bring their electronics in there. So you guys talk about following your goddamn rules so much, but it goes in one ear and out the other when it goes in our favor, doesn't it? No, this is bullshit. I have a right to protest this utter bullshit. And if you want to arrest me for that, free speech, go fucking right the fuck ahead. That's what I'm here for. Arrest me. I think he's bringing them.
Right there. You have one right there? Yeah, he's just
He's got one, and then the other guy got one.
No, I have mine right here. I want to give it to him.
Oh, he wants to give it directly, so that one's mine?
So it's just floating right here waiting for the clerk.
I just want to make sure, guys, I don't want to say it.
I just want to make sure these rules are being followed and adhered to, and why they're not being respected when they're in our favor. Okay, you guys act like I didn't read every single one of these fucking things, which you haven't done. No, the commander said he was going to give it. So I don't know if she's coming down or what. But this is a travesty. And everybody here should be embarrassed to be working for this entity, this fictional creature.
The clerk's here.
Oh.
He wants to give it directly to you. And this one too. Thank you. So there is always an exception to the rule, and this is it. Right there. Public forum. He even said public space.
I mean, the whole building is a public.
The whole building's a fucking public space. And to say we can't record these fucking tyrants past this point is fucking bullshit. And that's why he doesn't want us to, because we will catch the tyranny.
What are you, on tyranny patrol?
I'm on tyranny patrol. You see this? Shiny badges don't grant extra rights. Supreme law enforcement. I am the Constitution. I speak with my feet.
Wait, what are you, anti-Fauci or science?
I am the Constitution. Words on paper don't enforce themselves. Right? You guys are not the Constitution. You guys are bootlicking rule enforcers. You don't follow the Constitution. You don't even know the Constitution.
They don't even know their own rules.
They don't even know their own rules. They don't know the exceptions of their own rules. It's ridiculous. It's a disgrace too. I need to sip my coffee. I'll be right back. Yeah, right.
Okay. They're going to cite us. Just hang out for a second.
Good.
Cite us for what?
Cite us again?
I think so.
Good. Cite us. Why aren't you cuffing us and bringing us back there again?
So you said you're going to do. Just let them do what they're going to do. Yeah, call somebody, whatever. It's cool. Whatever.
I think I've been lenient enough.
You've been lenient enough with what? Allowing us to film in the lobby, which it says we're allowed to do?
Let's go.
Whatever.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is it?
Stand up or turn around.
Why?
Because I'm arresting you.
For
Disorderly conduct and failure to comply with
disorderly conduct and failure to comply with what?
lawful order.
What was the lawful order?
There were a whole bunch of them.
There was a whole bunch of them? Okay. So I'm being arrested for a lawful order.
Second time? Come on, man.
What?
You arrested me last time.
No, I'm not helping you do any of your job, man.
All right, let me just turn this off real quick. So, real quick, I'm being arrested, right? Yes. Okay, so what am I being arrested for? I just want to get this on the record.
Not too tight, all right?
They're fine. Are they double locked?
Can you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
And so why don't you bring us outside? Because if you bypass security,
Cold outside.
well, you're gonna bypass security again? You haven't even searched us. So you're gonna bypass and breach security again?
Just chill.
No, I'm protesting my arrest. You're arresting me on some bullshit.
Give me a headache.
I don't give a fuck if I'm giving you a headache.
No, we're doing it right here.
Okay.
They're gonna cite me, yeah, because I already told you guys, bringing us behind security last time was a breach of your own security.
Now, do me a favor, sit down, please. What's your name?
Fuck around and find out.
All right. Trying to be nice.
I don't care.
I know, you got an anger management issue.
No. Hey, Jay, I need to give you my keys too in case you gotta move my vehicle. Where is my keys?
I don't know.
Are they in my car? Shit. Oh, they're in that bucket over there.
Oh, make sure they get it.
Yeah.
Chapstick.
What's this? What is this badge? Shiny badge. That's nice one.
Thanks. And I'm putting you on notice. If you turn my camera off, you are destroying records, and that's a violation as
You
well.
know what? I won't turn your camera.
Thank you. I appreciate it because you guys do not have body cameras. I do not have any weapons, sir. You can. Yep. I know.
I don't believe you.
You don't believe
I
me?
need to check. So once I check,
You mean you're not sure? So you think I have a weapon on me?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
No, you're saying you don't believe. I said I don't have weapons, and you said you don't believe me. That means you think I have a weapon, dummy.
It just never ends, does it?
No, well, you're saying you think I have a weapon.
Okay.
What are you? So you're confiscating my property?
Yes.
For what? I didn't film with that. What are you doing? You're not confiscating all my property. Unless, whatever, you want to arrest me, you want to take me to jail, whatever you want to do. I got stuff in the bucket over there, that's it. The rest of my stuff is in the bucket.
You got lots of stuff there, bro.
Well, what do you want? You know, what do you want me to do?
You got anything in your pockets down
No,
there?
sir. I don't believe so. I actually had a knife on me, and I gave it to somebody because I forgot I had it on me. So. So no weapons? You didn't find any weapons, did you?
Not done yet.
Not yet? What about the belt? I mean, anything can be used as a weapon, but it's not a weapon until it's used or threatened to be used, is it?
All right, Craig.
That's right. Sure.
That's good. Okay. Just grab yourself, put it in the hat, and go.
Put it, yeah, you want to put it in my bucket with the rest of my stuff? Which way? So you're going to breach security again?
No, put it on this one.
Oh, you didn't breach it this time because you searched me? What if, oh jeez, you guys are stupid. There he is. That's what we were looking for. What's up, man? How come you guys, why did this guy come and take over? I know they called in the commander for us, huh?
Yeah, well, I've been in the courtroom waiting on you, bud.
Well, yeah, we've been down there trying to get up.
Were you the witness? The chief witness?
Oh, yeah, that's right. He's a witness, so he has to be there, whatever, yeah.
I'll let him know you guys are tied up for a bit.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
I don't know if we're supposed to just do one. You
got a summons book? Not on me. No, can I borrow one of yours? Sure. Okay.
You guys don't write a lot of summons, I see.
We try not to. We try to be very,
Judicious?
actually, we try to be very lenient and agreeable, but it doesn't seem to work with some people.
No. Jordan Peterson says you shouldn't be too agreeable.
Right. Agreeableness is the problem.
Exactly.
People are way too tolerant.
We agree.
Man is, you know, all this.
You know that.
Yeah. People are way too tolerant. Trust me, I get it. Well, the problem is we're not tolerating the tyranny, and you guys aren't used to that.
Dude, I'm just doing my job.
I know. Well, that's the problem. So are the Nazis.
Hold on. So, but your job.
Why do you
Hold. All right. Just stop. That's dumb. Everybody
follow
says that. It
orders.
doesn't mean anything anymore.
Just following orders.
Am I yelling? Am I being disrespectful?
Sir, I am just speaking my mind, sir.
But hold on, real quick though. If you do take an oath, right? I did as a state rep.
Right.
You did as your job.
I did not.
So the oath is to uphold and defend the Constitution. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, I understand that.
Okay.
I have a job to do. And
But your job is first and foremost to uphold your oath.
There's rules and regulations that apply.
Rules and regulations do not supersede the
Anyway,
Constitution.
let's just.
It's okay. It's fine.
Okay, can we just please make this as.
Yeah, we're doing what you want, right?
Okay. All right, very good.
Sure.
Okay.
So yeah, whatever you
So I'll
want.
leave that thing on.
Yep.
Leave your badge. All right. So do you have identification on you?
No, I lost. I honestly, I seriously lost my wallet,
Who walks around with the Constitution?
dude. I lost my wallet, all my bank cards, my license, bank information, everything. So,
Have a seat.
sure. And then be careful when you open that because there is a leaf from the Liberty Tree pressed in there.
Oh, nice.
Okay, thank you. It's a couple. It's in. I'll give you my name and all that. It's on my. I mean, you can see it's on my credit cards and whatnot. But I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID. No. Sucks. I need it too. That's just a battery. So where did they arrested Chris too, right?
What's your, do you have an ID number? I need to file a complaint on you. You just put your hands on me for absolutely no reason. Why would you put your hands on me? If I put my hands on you, you gotta be arrested. I have not given you a
That was intentional touch. Intentional touch. You're not allowed to do that.
What is it?
Hey, I'm not gay. You better not touch me.
Can you stop this? Let's talk. Okay. I have nothing against you. I have nothing personal against you. Okay.
Yeah, he's hardcore. He's hardcore. He's being cool.
All right. So what's your last name first?
Staples, Staples is my last name.
Okay. First name?
Frank.
Is it Franklin or just?
No, it's just Frank.
Date of birth, please.
12/18/1979.
Address?
332 Merrimack Street, Manchester, New Hampshire. 03103.
Manchester, okay.
Yes, sir.
You want to sit down?
No, I'm fine.
You can sit. Okay.
It's okay. I actually have a medical, like this, not a hemorrhoid, but I got this situation going down in there. It's freaking, it's not trying to aggravate it. TMI, I know.
I didn't say you assaulted me. It's unwanted contact. Do you understand the law? Can you just refrain from not to touch me? Can you get it done? Can I do that to you? Can I do that to you? Can I grab you and tell you to move? I can't, right? So why do you think it's okay to touch me and grab me and move me?
I tell you what, if I get unwantedly touched, I have PTSD and I immediately react to them with an action. So don't be concerned.
But you can't touch me. No, you can't touch me. Do you have an idea? Talk to me.
PTSD came from not that way. So you know how this would all work. It all works in reaction. If I ever get unwantedly touched, I react to that PTSD.
You can't do that.
But you reacted first. You were touched first. So don't touch me. Do not touch me because I have PTSD.
I understand you said that.
So if you touch me, I automatically react. That's what PTSD is. No, you ultimately have initiated the touch, which was unwanted. PTSD gets triggered. You're not getting this. I'm warning you, if you touch me, it's on one and assault. No, I'm warning you, don't do it.
Hey, Joey, just say it's sexual harassment. You get a good boss.
Yeah, I already told him. I told him not to touch me. I'm not gay. So if you touch me, you gay? I ain't.
You might be gay though. I mean, you never know.
You might be confused.
No, you need to learn. You need to learn your job, bro. I ain't sweating over there. Bro. You're nervous. I mean, you know you're wrong. Okay. That's the first sign. I have good signaling of when people are having a hard time. You're just going to sweat balls right now because you know you're wrong.
No.
It is gross.
Oh, I need the code. Wait a minute here.
Sure.
So let's see. Location. So are you like a sovereign citizen?
No, sir.
Just curious.
Negative. I'm a state citizen.
Okay.
I'm a
I know
New
you
Hampshire
guys-
state citizen, sir. So there's a difference between sovereign. Sovereign citizens are stateless.
Okay. And, you guys aren't affiliated with the. There used to be a group up here, the Constitutional Rangers, years ago.
Never heard of them. I'm just a man. I'm not with any group. I'm not like Free State Project and all that. You got a lot of friends that are in that, but I'm not part of that. So. I'm as far right as you can get. Constitutional anarchist. Like I said, I am the Constitution, and you should be too. Well, you're doing good so far. I appreciate you. You've been very kind, a lot better than the commander, in my opinion. He's not a bad guy. It's cool. It is what it is. It's just, he's cool. He's fine. It's just, you know what I mean? It's just ridiculous. Like, why couldn't he? Why weren't we arrested immediately in the lobby?
Well, because we were trying to like give you leeway because we don't want to have to arrest people if we don't have to.
Well, what did we do?
Well, first of all, I would say disorderly conduct is one.
What was the disorderly conduct?
Screaming and yelling and creating.
So when did you give me a lawful order to cease and desist?
Who's the complaining party?
Who is the complaining party, and what did I do, and when did you give me an order? So no one ever said.
I give you guys an order to stop filming because that's another violation.
I didn't hear it. You might have told him to stop filming or them to stop
There was no order
filming.
to stop filming. The guy explicitly said you can film in the lobby.
He said we're allowed to film. We're not going to film
Actually,
past
shut up
that point.
because
Right, I
They're
know.
going to change what you're charged with so that you don't win. So shut
I
up.
know.
You know.
Well, they did that. They already did that for the last one too.
Can they do that though? Can they say you can do something and then arrest you for doing it?
Yeah.
Apparently.
I mean, they're allowed to lie to you, so. Yeah, so.
Well, and it's so. Did you arrest me or did he arrest me?
I put the handcuffs on you, so I'm the arresting officer.
And he told you to, though, right?
Yes. Yeah, you can do that.
Yes. The order has to be lawful. The order has to be lawful. Yes. for it to stick. It is Negus. My full middle name. I do not have a middle initial. I have a middle name. Negus, Negus, and you can do whatever you want with that. But yeah, I don't identify as the all caps Frank N. Staples. That's not me. I am the real living man. I am one of the people, the flesh and blood, not the artificial person behind the Social Security number. That is a corporate entity that I use to interface with the federal government to pay my taxes and stuff.
I'm just gonna do one. Yeah, I guess so. Were they there? There's 41 seat for.
But no, they don't use my phone.
Do you work for DHS?
Yeah, identify yourself.
You have to identify when asked.
Identify yourself. Identify. It's okay. We'll find out. He'll be, what do they call it? John Doe. Officer, unknown federal officer. UFO. UFO, huh? We're gonna see how this is. The gentleman who's coaching everybody, the plainclothes gentleman who's coaching the situation.
What's his zip code again?
03103.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no speed that you have to go. As long as you're actually moving away from the
Brown.
I mean, they totally
6'1". Probably 180.
There's a lot of laws that
Almost finished.
Still going, yep.
Phone number for you?
603.
603, yeah.
Yes, sir. 722
722, yep.
5408.
8, okay.
Karen, save me. This is the Merrimack County Republican Committee. Hey, Chairman. Hey.
Karen, hey, how's it going?
You know they're under arrest, right?
Hey, Karen did the ultimate. Gotta go.
Gotta go. Yeah.
I really just want to go up.
Apparently, you must have no authority then.
I don't know. They see me listening to them, so that's it.
It's pretty good. I have a good memory for faces, so I'll see you around.
Sir, what's your name? Would you care identifying yourself?
Yeah, it's Noah.
Noah? Noah what?
Fallon.
Fallon? Fallon?
Yep.
And what is your ID number?
2326.
2326, thank you so much.
Wasn't so hard, was it, sir?
It's all about treating somebody with respect and not treating it back to you.
Actually,
Well,
I don't have to respect you.
Hey.
You have to professionally respect us. You get that, right? I have a request. You're supposed to come to the
Yeah, no, you're good. You're chopped liver.
God, you guys are always in trouble.
Bring these guys into the conference room over here so we have another place to be able to do this.
I'm almost done. I'm just gonna go in the conference room. I'm almost finished.
Sure.
All right, guys, let's get this over with.
55 Pleasant Street.
Okay. Are you going to the court?
We're going to the conference room real quick to finish the tickets.
Are they going to go in front of a judge soon, or?
Yeah, we don't
You
know.
guys give us an update.
The hearing might be, I don't know if the hearing's been continued or
If you
what.
guys want to go to the courtroom, then you'll be up to date.
Yeah, let the judge know what they're doing to us.
Appreciate it. This is a very small conference.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is.
Actually, I don't want to sit down with 3 cops and 2 of us. What's going
that's
on?
okay,
here?
it's fine. We're all right, we'll be all right.
I ain't gonna hurt you. I like you.
We like you too. We're just, you guys are doing your job and we're doing ours.
Somebody's gonna enforce the
So
Constitution.
we have a duty to uphold the Constitution as, American
Hey, you know what? Did we get
citizens.
Joe all riled up? Somebody touch me! You're not allowed to touch him!
Joe, help us!
Okay.
I was just on the phone.
Yeah, they're starting to hurt a little bit.
Not hurt. It's been a while.
Well, I actually fought in handcuffs behind my back like this for 25 minutes, and I got scars, and it's
So I'm
freaking.
gonna uncuff you,
Anyways.
and then I'm just gonna have you sign this.
Sign it, sure.
And then you just verify your belongings are all accounted for. And you can be on your way.
I don't know if they're, did you talk to them?
Oh, I don't know. I thought we were signing a release. Okay, hold on a second. It'd be nice if they tell me what's going on.
I know.
Yeah.
All right,
I don't think they know yet.
all right, just sit tight then.
Sure,
What did
sure.
you get hit with? I got hit with disorderly.
Just you two, yeah. Me too.
That's it, right? Or do you get
That's
2
it.
charges?
I don't think they gave us
I just gave him disorderly conduct. Hold on.
Disorderly.
Check with my supervisor.
I wrote disturbances.
disturbances.
Okay.
So same
You're not on the
CFR.
CFR, that's what it says.
Same CFR, sure. So,
Dude, this is nuts.
Sorry.
Oh!
Sorry.
well, yeah, I know because they got us for that because instead they couldn't get us. They know they couldn't get us for the lobby thing.
Stand by.
Stand by.
Stand by. I'm not in charge. I'm just.
Right.
If nobody's in charge, I want to find out who's in charge.
We are in charge.
Commander Thompson.
Jason, if they start,
No, they're cool. It's
just let me know.
I was locked up for a dozen years. It's
I'll survive. It's fine. I'm not
I'm just
getting
used
any
to the fuzzy
tingling.
ones.
Mine are just sensitive. I got double where the double things are. I got scar. It's all smashed.
It's okay.
It's a little tight, but it's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
I mean, so yeah, I just want to get this. I don't want them to say
I
you didn't
just
show up.
right.
Like,
I want to get in front of the judge.
Well, you know the system. So if we issue these, they're going
Have
to set
proof that we
they're
were
going to
here.
set a date in the future. They're not going
Right.
to see you today.
But what about
No, the previous thing we're
the
here for.
thing
That's
we're
what
here
we're
for?
We're here
Well,
for
I
a
know.
court
I
appearance.
know.
Right.
Well, I don't know what they're going to do now.
Are they going to continue it? Are they going to put out a bench
He said he
warrant?
doesn't know, but like.
Because if you're going to put out a bench warrant, then we might as well arrest
Turn
us and
ourselves
cite us
in,
and do
yeah.
it here now
Let's
and
get
take
it
care
over.
of that.
I bet they'll just continue it.
If they continue it,
And then they'll have another court date.
this is going to be a recursive loop. This is going to be a recursive. No, it's going to be a recursive loop, and it will never end, and we'll never get into court, and we'll just keep stacking these tickets.
Okay. Well, you know what? I'm retiring in April, so that's fine with me.
How old are you?
Maybe the guys
They haven't figured. Nobody's done that. I told you. What I mean?
I said today.
So.
I said it's a revolving door. We don't do anything different.
It's going to keep happening, and I told you. I tried to tell you guys. I gave you forewarning.
We're both
Fair
moving,
warning.
So.
I didn't know this guy's 56 years old.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I had enough.
He had the easy paper route.
Yeah.
For the issue a lot of these, he's stressing like crazy now. It's like, fuck.
Yeah, but see, back in the day, though, you guys would have been arrested immediately.
Yeah.
Right.
No, what do you mean back in the day?
Yeah.
September.
Yeah.
Right? We got arrested pretty fast.
We got arrested pretty
There
quickly.
would have been no, like, yeah, please, pretty please.
Right. Well, we did. We came back here
to just be
3
done.
times.
I wanted you to do this.
You know,
Walk me to the course and get it over
We're
with.
supposed to de-escalate, and we're supposed to try.
Sure.
You know,
And I have a loud voice, and you
respect
guys
everybody.
also know that I'm disabled, and I get excited, and I have a loud voice, and that hallway echoes and everything, and I was not being disorderly, but that is what it is.
Whatever, let a jury decide.
We'll
Yeah,
let a jury
exactly.
decide. Yep, exactly. If we ever get to court.
You guys better not stack the jury with a bunch of DHS people.
Well, is this,
familiar.
what's the jurisdiction? Do you guys know, is this a 7th Amendment court, or is this a
Depends what the judge's operating.
Proprietary,
Section 1, Article 1, Section 8 court?
Are you familiar with proprietary, concurrent, and exclusive jurisdiction?
Proprietary, I never heard of. This is
Okay.
concurrent exclusive.
Yeah.
The
You can
concurrent
look it
is,
up.
so well, this to lay the charges, like what jurisdiction, or is it civil or is it criminal? It's going to be
Yes.
criminal, right?
Well,
It's not
see,
civil.
Well, see, here's the thing with these citations. It's like if you pay the fine.
There is no
if-
fine, though.
Well, yeah, there is a fine. So if I gave you the fine, well, you
What is
know,
it?
Before the judge
it's
can
like
issue
$100
it.
$100 or $150 for disorderly conduct.
But it doesn't say on there that I can
Or
pay the
it's
fine.
like $150 or like up to 3 months in jail or something like that if you're convicted.
I
So
heard a
it's
year.
either or.
It's
It's
like
either
well,
or.
for the previous one, it's like
Yeah.
$1,000 or
Yeah.
30 days.
So if
in
it was
jail.
like your first offense and you paid, you know, you could obviously go to trial, be found not guilty. But if you agreed to pay the fine, then that would be it. and
Right,
you'd
but
let
it's
it go.
still a criminal offense.
Could be
criminal
career
offense,
criminals
yeah.
on these
So
violations?
there's two different criminal jurisdictions. There's a common law jurisdiction under the 7th Amendment, and then there is an Article 1, Section 8 courts, which is an administrative hearing
Well, this
process.
is a full federal. Well, you go see the federal magistrate.
Right, and that,
Yeah.
but she will have to determine. She's going to have to say what is she operating under? Which jurisdiction is this? A common law court or is this a statutory? And this is a administrative court with the gold fringe.
Okay.
Look it up.
Yeah, I get it.
There's two different jurisdictions. By the Supreme Court has recognized two criminal jurisdictions, and the court will have to establish which jurisdiction we're in before we can proceed, because the rules of criminal procedure are different in each jurisdiction, the common law versus the statutory.
Okay, Matt.
My
well,
daughter wants to go to law school, and I told her absolutely.
I'm a jailhouse lawyer. I won the only time I've ever been here in federal court was when I sued the prison when I was in solitary confinement for refusing to shave my beard on religious grounds, and I won pro se. So, yeah, I had the warden on the stand. I had the major, some parole board representatives. They denied my parole and they refused to let.
I don't know. She said they said 2 different dates.
Hey, don't touch people. No, don't tell me what to do. I can stay here all day if I want to.
He didn't like that too much.
Yeah, you can touch people.
I kind of like that.
Don't touch people.
Be back. We'll do this recursive, never-ending loop. Public forum. You guys are on notice. How do you know his business is done? If he has to file a complaint and he can take sketches, 100%, he can sit in every single proceeding. Can't say when his business is done.
Frank, you gonna leave?
Yeah. I just want to, I don't want him to. What's up?
It's all over, man.
It's not all over. This is just the beginning.
It's all over. No, it's over today.
For today.
Right?
Not yet, until Joe comes out safely. All right, he's coming.
Frank, I'll see you when.
Yeah. No, that's
All
cool.
All right.
Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, thank you so much.
You and Joe, you and Marshall Joe are cowards.
He'll be fine. He's pissed off.
You're a coward,
He has a right to be.
You don't
upset.
fucking tell me what to do.
And right.
you.
Well, you guys are being tyrants, so
Fuck you.
following orders. Just following orders.
The officer.
Oh, my stuff. Thanks. Oh, goodness gracious. Well, everybody's gonna do their own thing here.
You can pick it right up.
Oh, I got it. Thanks. All right. Thank you so much. You too.
They said the Forest Service after us?
Sent the forest animals. We're animals. Yeah, don't forget your phone. Yeah. You get a small. Oh yeah.
Charges. Like, come on. You guys are still enforcing weed laws.
ridiculous. Get a life. Get a real job. Have some honor in your life.
So much stuff in my pockets. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Again, what'd you think? I'm live. I'm on.
I'm not.
Yeah.
You guys got a light?
Oh, dude, it wasn't even recording. What an idiot I am. Hold on, was it recording? No, I know. I just want to see what
Protect those who didn't
Did I
smoke
get a
weed.
littering ticket?
No, let it do the request or the keep flicking the cigarettes. Oops.
You notice how like he was telling me to leave, but he wouldn't tell me the reason why.
So I was behind him and Brian Phelps when he pushed him. And he did push him. He laid his hand on him and he pushed him a little bit because I saw
It's the
him go
second
like
time
that.
today somebody put their hands on me.
Hey,
So we're gonna do temporary restraining orders and file something on these guys for all this stuff.
hey, what if I just go back in right now to go sketch more courtrooms? What are we gonna do? Arrest
Go
me?
sit in the lobby and sketch.
Sketch all
and
their faces.
Record all day
Go
long.
back up to that courtroom and
What happened
sketch
with
the
you?
officers, the only ones
With the
who
cam
arrested
with the
officers.
camera. Were
Well,
they
I
gonna
was
arrest
leaving.
you?
So
Oh.
they did say I was under arrest, and then I told him I was just giving my camera to him. He took my camera, and
Then he didn't arrest you?
He didn't arrest me, and I said, there's already court precedent that leaving slowly is still leaving. So he was like, all right, just go. So I left.
Interesting.
Yeah, he was gonna arrest me too.
But it was
I'm
interesting
like,
because
I said to him, you never told me to leave. I have it on video. You never
Right.
told me to leave.
no,
They never
yeah,
said-
definitely never told you.
They never told me to leave.
So they were trying not to arrest you and have you then say you weren't here.
I was arrested
What
for
was
disorderly.
happening. No, but what I'm
Oh,
saying
right,
is
right.
when I was up there, they called your and
Names.
Jason's name
Right, right.
knowing
Right, right.
because the officers were all talking back and forth
Mm-hmm.
and they called it and I said they're here. The prosecutor said
Oh, they're late.
like well they need to be they need to be up here before the judge comes in or something like that.
You can have it, but send me a picture, alright?
All right, I'm going to stay out. So you guys doing your thing. I appreciate you guys showing up. Though.
No, go. You're going too. You're gonna. You're going to
thanks
yeah.
for pushing this issue,
Hey,
guys.
thank you, bro. Thanks for showing up and helping, and we're pressing, help keeping the press on them too. So we'll be back and we'll go through this rigmarole over and over again.
So it's 500 or 6 months, but if you pay 100, we'll let you go.
Yeah, 5,000. No, 5,000. 5,000, but we're only asking for the 100 because of petty. So you're trying to upcharge. So there you have it, folks. I'm headed over to the State House. My battery died while I was in that room. Obviously, you saw that, and I got my charger plugged in, and I started recording again as at the earliest possible convenience. I did go before the judge. She admitted that it is a Article 1, Section 8 administrative proceeding. It is not a common law court, and it's a completely different standard. And these are things that they don't want to admit on the record. And the gold fringe is what proves it, that it is an administrative court. I know people want to say a sovereign citizen and all this stuff. No, not a sovereign citizen. I am a New Hampshire state citizen. I am not stateless. And I took an oath to this state and upholding the state constitution and the federal constitution, because I do believe that they are anarchist documents. Anarchist does not mean no rules, it means no rulers. It means we're all sovereign beings and we all have individual sovereignty. New Hampshire has state sovereignty under its constitution as well, and it derives that power from the people. That means every individual state citizen is a sovereign being as well. So that is that, and that's the latest installment of this saga, filming in federal court. And we'll be back there next time, and we'll go through this all over again. We do this over and over and over and over and over, and we'll keep generating more proof about the tyranny and the confusion and the unconstitutional practices that these people are engaged in. We're not having it. I'm not having it. That's for sure. You know I speak with my feet. Fuck around and find out. Signing off. My friends are lions. Absolute defiance. Let's get it.